It's past midnight. You're in bed still scrolling, eyes tired, but your mind won't power down. If that's you, here's the 1-minute ritual to try tonight. 3 by 27 bead breaths. Save this now. 3 rounds, 27 breaths each. 1 bead for every breath. A simple tactile rhythm gives your mind something to follow. It may help quiet the mental noise. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, in and out. One more, in and out. I'll count with you tonight. Save this and try 3 by 27 before sleep. Save this for tonight, then tap to get your own mala at Tashi Thangka. So counting is simple every night.